All right, last one for me. I don't know. You probably caught this, Will. I'm not sure. This guy, he posted this video, viral video, turning AirPods into 18 karat gold AirPods. I want to know, did you see this video prior to me mentioning it?
No.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. This thing is properly viral, I think. 100,000 thumbs up, 1.2 million views. I'm sure it's more in real time.
This guy right here?
This guy, Pablo Cima de Villa, or Chima de Villa. I don't know if that's Spanish or what it is. Anyway, this guy fabricates things. I never saw his channel before this, which I'm amazed by because he has 2 million subscribers. He's doing these cool things over here. This to me looks like it's right up your alley, Will. He's got he's fabricating. He's a craftsman.
Looks like ASMR.
Yeah, it's got an element to it. I'll tell you what, but he does have some music, so it gets...
Oh, okay.
I don't know if he needs the music, to be honest. Look, your view count's already updated another 100,000 views almost. So I'm telling you, he's got a thing going on. He deconstructs the AirPods, typical commercially available AirPods, and he puts together these bespoke. Can I use that word in this? Was that just a casual bespoke that I threw in there? I hate myself right now. How dare I? But I feel like this is the exact meaning for it. Anyhow, it's an amazing video.
Yeah, you gotta appreciate the
it's just a cool, like, I don't know. You know it when you bump into something cool. This is cool. What it takes to do this is probably beyond your expectations, the equipment, machinery. He does this, so he knows what to do. Like, it's not the first thing he's fabricated. If you check his channel, that's the whole deal with it. But he gets this gold. He polishes these things. He has to kind of weld it together, the two pieces at a certain point, which I've never seen that process before. He does it with his bare hands. When he's welding the cap back onto it. Maybe he'll showcase it here. Maybe he already did. I can't remember. Then he has to put the electronics back in, and they just look amazing when they're done. They look so cool. And the video is super detailed. It's 11 minutes long. He connects. He's active. Things are working. It's an exciting video. It's a YouTube video. You know what I'm saying, Will? It's a real YouTube video. And I'm happy about that. So shout out, Pablo. You done did it. You done did it, my friend. And that's hard to do. It's a hard thing to do, to done did it.
Good job.
You see that? So 18 karat gold AirPods. I mean, look, at the end of the day, it's just gold AirPods. I can understand if you're like, it's gold AirPods. If it came from some giant company, you'd be like, so what? I don't.
Right.
But the guy showcases how it's done. That's the cool part.
It's possible.
Yeah, that's the cool part. He's one guy, and he shows you what he put into it. It's the process is the beautiful thing. That's my favorite part. Bare hands. Look at this. What kind of, what is he underneath there that it's just sparking up? You see?
And then he polishes it.
Yeah.
So there's no seam.
It's a beautiful experience. Well done.